I declare the year 2024 postgraduate ceremonial graduation reopen. Ayubowan, Vanakkam, Assalamu alaikum, Reverend clergy, the deans and the directors of the University of Colombo, the registrar, bursar, librarian of the University of Colombo, senior professors, heads of department, academic staff members, administrative staff members, academic support staff members of the University of Colombo, and very specially the distinguished invitees who are joining us today, and the masters and MD graduates and MPhil PhD graduates who are celebrating their proud moment of their academic journey with us today, and the very happy and proud family members. Today is a very special day, a happy day for us, and a very proud day for us as well. It becomes even more special considering the challenges that we have faced and we are facing now. As all of us have experienced, we were initially planning to have this convocation last year. However, due to unforeseen circumstances, due to Cyclone Ditwa, the circumstances that were caused by cyclone, it was not possible. I'd like to appreciate and thank your understanding during that situation where we had to postpone the convocation, the ceremonial graduation. I would like to thank the University of Colombo staff, academic, administrative, and academic support, everyone, for making sure that the date of your degree conferment was not delayed due to that postponement. Thereby, there will not be any negative implications on your career and career prospects. And after that, once we are planning to have this convocation, yesterday and today, once again, the global crisis and the fuel crisis has again led to several challenges and difficulties. Still, we managed to organize and make this a reality. It is the effort, the commitment, and the dedication of all of us and all of you. Therefore, at the very outset, I'd like to thank everyone who made this a reality. The University of Colombo, the academic, administrative, and the academic support staff, very especially the examination department, the general administration department, financial department, who have worked very hard. And also for all of you, for your understanding, and also being present here today, in spite of many challenges related to transport and logistics. This makes this happy occasion even happier, and an occasion that we can be very proud of. Today, you are joining this very happy and proud and powerful family called University of Colombo graduates. Some of you are already there and now moving into the next step or the next stage of your academic career. Joining this network or this family itself is an achievement. Why? Over many years, since the higher education in Sri Lanka started with the inception of Colombo Medical School 156 years ago, and then university education in Sri Lanka starting as London University College over 106 years ago, then becoming University of Ceylon and University of Colombo. We have produced over 100,000 graduates over many years. Whatever level you reach, wherever you are working, whatever your profession is, government sector, corporate sector, academia, judiciary, wherever, you will find those who are at the top are University of Colombo graduates. That is the quality of the training that is provided by the university. Being part of that network will ensure that your professional journey, future professional journey, is assured. That again is an achievement. From here, I'm seeing a very beautiful sight with all of you dressed very elegantly in your master's clothes, PhD clothes, MD clothes. It's really wonderful to see. The University of Colombo has given your qualification that is recognized not only nationally, but also internationally as well. And we as a university, we are very proud to produce such a large number of professionals with higher degrees. The university's contribution to the human capital development of the country is immense. And today, we are making another immense contribution in the form of all of you who are graduating either as masters, MPhil, PhD, and MD. That's wonderful. Many of you will be graduating today, ceremonially graduating today, as master's graduates. That again is a great achievement in your professional career, considering all of you are already top-level professionals. The master's program that you have followed have given you practical tools, practical solutions that can be applicable to any challenge that you will be facing in your professional lives. To ensure that this success continues, that is where lifelong learning comes into play. That is very important because this is very significant, but this is a milestone. There's a long journey. There's a long journey that all of us have to make together. In that journey, lifelong learning is very important. Even though the master's program has given you the knowledge and the skills and the attitudes that are required to blossom in your careers, in your professions, the situations are changing. Contexts are changing very fast. The current crisis situation has shown us how fast the context can change. In this current context, it's very important that you develop your skills and competencies in adaptability and flexibility. It's very important to develop your competencies such as leadership, teamwork, communication. It's very important that you develop, whatever field you are in, that you develop your skills in technology, especially nowadays artificial intelligence. In the past, it was believed that AI will replace the humans. But now the current understanding is the humans who use AI will replace the humans who don't. Therefore, regardless of the field you are in, make use of AI, but not to misuse it. Make the best use, because with that, the current knowledge is in your fingertips. The practices are changing very rapidly. Even though the master's program has given you the methods, maybe strategies, maybe different tools that are very useful. You need to sharpen them. You need to sharpen them every day. Because without that, the use of the different tools, what I mean by tools is not just the instruments, but even the strategies and methods and processes. You need to sharpen them according to the current technology, current processes. Those who have completed the PhD and those who have completed MPhil, you have reached the highest levels in the research degrees that are offered by the university. That's a great achievement. That's a proud achievement, very proud achievement. The highest research degree one can obtain, and that too by the #1 ranked university of the country. That itself is a proud achievement. Having said that, consider these two as also as one of the very important milestones in your research journey. Actually, your research journey, the lifelong research journey starts now. Because from this point onwards, it's very important you start publishing in top-level journals. Because that is how you can put what you have gained into practice. The MPhil, PhD qualifications, to put them into practice, to become experts. You need to expand your research journey. You need to publish. You need to publish in top-level journals. You need to make an impact. In different professions, the needs may be different. Sometimes we may be talking about a book. In certain instances, we may be talking about maybe a meta-analysis, maybe a joint publication. Sometimes it can be a policy paper. It depends on what profession you are in. But it's always important that you put your expertise, the newfound expertise, into practice. That is how you blossom. I'm sure all of you have the competency and the knowledge and the attitude to move forward and to blossom in your careers. Looking forward to see all of you in the not too distant future as top-level decision makers, top-level leaders, top-level professionals of this country who will be taking our country to the next level. Once again, wish you all the very best. Thank you.
Vice Chancellor, sir, I have the honor to announce that the Council of the University of Colombo, on the recommendation of the Senate, has resolved that the degrees of Master of Business Analytics, Computer Science, Cybersecurity, Information Security, and Information Technology, Master of Science in Computer Science, be ceremonially awarded on those to be presented in person and in absentia by me as the Director of the University of Colombo School of Computing. Vice Chancellor, sir, I have the honor to present the following for the conferment of master's degree. Master of Business Analytics, Arachi, MPM. Pandara, AHMMD. Deva Surendra, RS. Dilshan, DKWS. Allepola, TV. Gunawardhana, TPR. Jayasinghe, JMGD. Kumara, SMRPP. Lakmal AHA. Liyanage WL. Narampanawa MS. Navaratna KMSN. Pereira APS. Piyumali PGDP. Prasadi ERPML. Ratnayaka HMAD. Senanayaka SKDVL. Silva KPAL. Sugatadasa AHDS. THDS. Vimalaratna VM. Master of Computer Science, Bandara RMUS. Kure WSJ. Dean MAH. Dodan Denia JMTGCM. Fernando MDL. Fernando SSMS. Kartiga R. Kulasuriya KNJ. Mallikarachi MADM. Pereira SPMMSD. Priyadarshini THN. Rajapaksa RWADU. Rasika WD. Ratnayaka MNJ. Rashmika EPI. Rhythm, RADSS. Rizwan, MSM. Samaranayaka, NACB. Sandirigama, SMKHB. Sanjeevan S. Senanayaka HRS. Sugata Dasa PDIV. Vitana LD. Vithushan V. Vela Hetty PPD. Master of Cyber Security, Anavaratna MANA. Bandara HMAP. Bhaskaran K. Fakari MH. Herat CBB. Joseph CM. Kahave Vitarana AR. Kasturi Singha KHMSP. Kaushalya WLTG. Nafli TMSM. Piris HNT. Piris KCH. Prageet WVC. Sinthujan R. Varshamanage WPM. Master of Information Security. Alahakon AMML. Bandara GWMRKIR. Fernando WND. Minha NF. Priyaranga AAM. Ranjit SHHH. Reginald NC. Sayanthan K. Silva GD. Umayanga PGPP. Master of Information Technology. Abhenayaka SN. Arangajanan S. Kure PCDP. Dahanayaka DTR. Dasanta STS. Dilruksha AHDW. Fatima Nasrin MT. Fernando SCD. Gunatilaka GVPNT. Herat AACA. Herat HMUR. Kodituwakku CL. Kulasekara KKMD. Lakruwan WAT. Maya Dunna DM. Nimesha IPT. Pereira JAKS. Rajapaksa IRMCJ. Ratnasiri PMPM. Ratnayaka RMNPB. Rukaya A.M. Rushda M.N.F. Samankula S.J.M.D. Samaranayaka D.O. Sandeepa S.S. Sanjoy Kalhan N.A. Sevwandi W.A.K.B. Tilakaratna H.L.M. Tushantini S. Yasotha S. Master of Science in Computer Science, De Silva H.M.M.M. Dharmasena P.H.R. Kumara B.G.S. Tulasigaran S. Thank you, sir.
Vice Chancellor, sir.
I now declare the current session of the year 2024 postgraduate ceremonial graduation of the University of Colombo adjourned.